more afternoon. A lot of determination. How you doing, honey? They come out now? I don't think so.
Y'all could have had fresh grass every few days, but instead now y'all are punished for this every day.
Oh, I know. Nice big area though, gals. Lots to eat. Lot to eat. And some trees and shade. Ginger, Opal. Ginger and Opal did not escape their house, although I wouldn't put it past them. However, Ginger went into heat a couple days ago, so she's actually, Angela left this morning. She's taking Opal and Ginger back to their boyfriend, and they're going to spend some time with them until maybe possibly a week or two, possibly. We're not really sure. We're going to kind of just keep in touch. It's about a good about an hour drive, so which is good because, you know, I think it was about a week or so ago we came home and came home from church one morning, and Angela, lo and behold, the goats were roaming the yard, and we had looked throughout, and you can see that they had been traveling through the yard, and they just got to a point now where I don't have that peace of mind about leaving them in the electric fence. Electric fence was good, but I gotta kind of be there, watch it, help them. You know, it's good for the purpose it needs to be, which is foraging out here while I'm out here, or while I'm home. But I need something that is peace of mind. So we decided we were gonna wait on it, but truthfully, with it being the northern climate, we knew that the shock fence would not be good for snow, and we knew that we needed some type of different enclosure for the weather when it did change. So we got some field fencing, and today I'm going to go ahead and get some posts in the ground. We already got a good chunk of area right here, about 360 foot, so they got a good chunk of square footage really that they can play in here, and it gives them a lot of room. I'm very happy with how it looks and how it is. The sad thing is we had to put something up within an afternoon. I dug a couple feet in, put some posts in the ground, made it nice and tight just to kind of help the kids out, because really the goats were getting out constantly, and the kids were having to come out here and help them and leash them, and it was just constantly, it was just like shift work. We're out here, change, and it wasn't fair to the kids. So we just kind of rolled something out, did a little makeshift fence, and it was perfect. We kept them all in, I had everything great. However, I don't want to leave it that way. I want to make something nice. So today, I'm going to go ahead. This is an area that Angela and I had planned on making the goats their permanent home. We like the area. It's up on the hill. It's a beautiful view. So we really enjoy this enclosure. It's nice and large for them. It's going to work perfect. And it's going to be an area that Angela and I decided that, you know, when we laid out our plan, our homesteading plan of 5-7 years out, this is really where we wanted to kind of grow and expand our goat area right in this location. I love it because we can kind of have it. It's just a good spot. So I'm gonna go ahead today. I've never done field fencing, never put posts in the ground. I've never done anything, a corner post, so this is my first time. So we're gonna document this, I'm gonna enjoy it. And Angela's gone, so I have the two little ones, but they're gonna help me. It's gonna go well. They're gonna be team workers today. I can just feel it. It's gonna be great. Right over here, bud. Beautiful day today. This is a good day to get some posts in the ground, huh? Okay, you're gonna help me. This is for rabbits. That's for meat birds. Okay. Check it out. Oh. Alright. see who's who.
How was it?
Okay, bud, you gonna help me?
I'm ready.
You ready? Okay, we're gonna dig a hole right here. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out. We're gonna dig a hole here. Come on, Logan. Hey, if it keeps them interested, win-win. Get a hole. There you go. Get that pile going.
Look.
Yeah, you did a good job. Come on, Fee.
Yeah. Look.
Ooh, you got some good stuff.
Let's dig a hole.
What are you grunting at, boy? Can I get the hole? All right, get that hole. Oh man. Oh, I tell you what.
Wow.
A little deeper.
It's like a time.
Grace's turn. I know. So why are you in there? Hey, why are you in there?
I'm in it.
Okay. Let's not go in holes, okay? Mom's gonna love that one. I wish I would have had that on video. Now the post goes in. Oh, much better. Look at that. Much better.
But it's in the hole.
Yeah, much better too.
I let Jimmy stay here. Okay, I lay here.
I apologize. We've had an amazing little beautiful thing going on here. Charlotte, Angela, Kylie's bantam, sit on some eggs. That begins. Winston, we gotta find another name for you, buddy. Not Winston, the other rooster. We gotta find another name for you. I gotta think of something.